Okay, we're gonna try this again. We're back at the famous Stephanie Chin refrigerator in our Alliance 385 FL. And like most brand new 2020, this is a 2021 Samsung residential fridge. Most of you have something extremely similar. Some have the door handles. This one does not. It's a model without the door handles. And the reason why that's important because today Steve is going to switch out the lock that keeps it closed. The lock that comes with it is a little dial. It goes into this metal bar that Samsung has attached to these anchor pins. Super easy, but it doesn't do a fantastic job of holding the refrigerator. It dents it up, it makes marks. Also, if you turn it too tight, the doors kind of pop away up here at the top, and so you have to stick your fingers in and feel if the rubber is making contact, the rubber gasket with the refrigerator, which ours was not. To combat the marks, a lot of us use the frisbee method, which now is a dog toy. Right, Teddy? So I went, a neighbor at the rally explained that she had gone on Amazon and put in her model number refrigerator, and sure enough, Fridge Fixer comes up. And it's very different, just to give you an idea of what it is. Instead of trying to make that screw and screwing that thing in with the frisbee, it comes with a T-lock instead. It just, when it's not in use. Once again, it came with minimal instructions, but a hyperlink to a video, which we did not need. And Steve was able to install this in 15 minutes. It will probably take you a lot less time.
So you got to begin by taking the other bar off. Phillips. Screw this up.
You looked at the instructions, right? No. Yeah, and it came right off. Right, and you can use that as a template to make how wide you're going to have to make this one. Yeah.
So, we're going to lose a little cold air here.
We don't care.
We're going to take out, well, of course, it's a different screw.
It always is. What does Jared Gillis say? Always hold the two different.
I got to get a hex. All right. Take out.
Here, point to it so they can see it because your hands
One of the door hinge nuts. Each door. You think I'd have a power tool?
No.
As you always said, more power. I'm going to use the existing screws, so don't get rid of them.
I'll let the dog take
I think
it.
this is a chore for a warm day with all this cold air coming out.
Oh, we can hear Teddy.
Just in the shadow.
I think another dog is barking. That's what it is. And that's our brand new ice maker. Making noise.
I like Prime deals.
Yeah, we wouldn't have bought it except for the Amazon Prime Day. It's been really nice. Didn't know I was gonna like it so much. I see a tool in the Amazon cart in my future.
You gotcha. This is just too much manual labor. Okay.
Yeah, we know. The doors are open.
So,
Okay.
get that out. Take this. It's going to actually go right.
There.
Get the same screw, same hole.
Yep.
That's what she said.
You're editing that out. Oh, ladies, when you marry a sailor.
Hey, sailor, my eyes are up here.
Come on. Allen wrench. Hey, these are so tiny.
So how many beers is this going to cost me?
Free beer, 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 beer,
Oh,
beer.
no. How many bourbons is it going to cost me?
A bottle of Buffalo. It's not too bad. I had the right tools.
No, I'd say you're making quick work of it. Once you figure it out.
Yep. Genius, though, whoever came up with this idea. The Fridge Saver. Alright, get that in.
And he has a lock for almost every refrigerator on the market. But the key here is to find out your model number, which is right behind Steve's head. Ours, of course, doesn't have the doors. And that was part of the door handles. So that was part of the problem.
Here's the test.
Some of the Samsungs have handles. Yep. Is it?
But I gotta slide it over.
Slide it over. Yep. A little. But look at that. And the best part is that the lock is magnet. So it just sticks to the outside of my refrigerator. I don't have to go, losing it somewhere. Having the puppy take it as a chew toy or any of that. Good job, honey.
I'm not done yet.
I don't care. This is...
I get you to another bottle.
No, this is not a bottle. This is a glass of Buffalo Trace. Okay, maybe 2 glasses.
These are pretty small.
Okay, and there's the lock. Let's see.
You may have to come out.
Out a little bit. Yep. But other than that, it's looking good.
Now, of course, that's a different tool.
To pull it out, it's just a regular screw. It's a regular screw, honey. A little more. Oh, does that look good? And it's not pulling at the top. No, it's rock. It is up right up against it. So much better. So much better. And then it just sticks to my refrigerator. So just some final little tiny adjustments, huh?
Yeah. Good. I heard whoever came up with this simply fabricates it on a 3D printer.
Brilliant. The name of the company, Reimagine, is Recubed Solutions. Doesn't come with a whole lot of instructions, just so you know. That's what I guess this video will help you with, right, Steve?
Yep.
But other than that, otherwise you just go to their website, recubed.solutions/JEN2 original is for the French door, and then the one like us is just /top. But it's called the Fridge Fixer. It's on Amazon. Guy's a genius. Absolute genius. It really just comes, the part, it comes in a bag. As you can see, Fridge Fixer, big block. And it comes with the 2 Allen wrenches and the tool. And then he has several hyperlinks. If you're handy and can figure that out.
If I can.
If not,
anybody.
yeah, trust me. Did you lose the screw?
Yep.
Last night we lost the puppy underneath the stair. Speaking of which, what are you doing? Eating pebbles. Very good. What do you say? Thumbs up?
Job done.
Job done. Thanks, everybody. Gotta sign off. I think we'll call that a wrap.
Yep. Now let's go eat.